Most probably part 4, if I'm not wrong, part 4 or part 3, I don't remember. For our mean, mode, median, quartiles, variance, because all the questions comes combination of all these three. So we are doing practice of that. Okay. So if you guys want, you can go to examsolution.com and do practice from there also. Then start doing this, or you can do this and do that. That is completely up to you. But as far as I understand, you need to do at least 20 to 25 questions practice to make sure this whole chapter is done once and for all. Okay, I hope everyone is listening to me over here. So now they gave you number of terms. What did they give? Two class batch over here, two class students, class A and class B. Set a test. Class A has 10 students, class B has 15 students. Okay, each student achieved a score X on the test, and their scores are summarized in the table below. And their scores are summarized in the table below. Okay? So the mean score for class A is 77, and the mean scores for class B is 61. So তোমাকে mean score দিয়ে দিছে, but sigma x also both of them is given to you. Find the value of t. 1 mark. I think this you guys can do on your own. Please try doing this on your own. I'll pause recording. Okay, you guys tried this. Let's see how this is done. তোমার sigma x এ এখানে mean দিয়ে দিছে না, mean কত? Mean of class B how much? 61. 61 is t, that is the total, divided by number of observation, that is 15. So 61 multiplied by 15 তোমার answer হবে। বুঝছো এটা সবাই? কত পাচ্ছ তুমি answer? 915 is your answer. You'll see the mark scheme now. ঠিক আছে? So the mark scheme is this. Question number 1, 915. Perfect is the answer. Calculate the variance of the test score for each class. So you guys know the formula? You guys know the formula? What was the formula? Sigma x square n minus mean. Okay, for each class. So for class A, I think this is the formula na, variance variance equals to sigma x square divided by n minus mean square, right? Yes or no? Shabai?
Yeah.
Okay. One of the advantage of these, what I gave you here, there are no space for doing these questions. Okay, then I have to work on that. I thought there are spaces here to do this question. I'm sorry. Okay, chalo, I 3 marker question তোমাদেরকে আমি চান্স দিচ্ছি কিভাবে করে এটা করে দেখাও আমাকে। So for A part, what you guys did, sigma A, sigma x square na, you guys did like this now, 59610 divided by 10 minus the mean, right? How much was the mean? Class A mean is 77, right? You guys did this? Yeah, and what is the answer you guys got? 32. Just compare all of them. 32, yeah? Yeah, 32. So A part is 32. I'm sorry, there are not enough space. I forgot to copy paste it. Yes, we are doing B part, okay? And for B part, what do you have? This is A part. Now let me rub the A part. Sorry. Now let's do the B part. In B part, what are you supposed to do? B part, bolo. 58035. Yes, 58035 divided by 15 minus, what is my mean? 61 yeah. Whole square. And what is the answer you guys got? 148. 148. Done. So I'll cross it now. Now let's go to the C part. The highest score on the test was 95 and the lowest score was 45. These were each scored by students from the same class. It can be either class A or it can be class B. It can be both. So class A mudde highest lowest hoise, class B mudde highest lowest hoise. State with reason which class you believe they were from. What do you think which class they were from? So highest and lowest dono da.
Class B because its variance is higher.
Okay, class B because its variance is higher and mean is also high. So their mark highest hobe. Correct. Actually, I rubbed the value of mean values. Sorry, mean values I know. Okay, but I rubbed the values of this thing. Highest score of the test was 95. Either koto? Class A 77 and class B is 61. So which class did you say having both of them?
B. No.
B. But B mean to com.
B your variance.
Variance koto? B.
148
148 আর ওটা
32
so ওর variance বেশি মানে ওর spread of the data ও বেশি you yes understood all of you Mansha or spread of variance beshi money spread of the data is also more so therefore or highest range beshi range beshi money highest or lowest for chance or beshi Mansha and Aisha what's up
जी
আচ্ছা আর যদি ভেরিয়েন্স কম থাকতো তাহলে
তাহলে তোমার it's like ভেরিয়েন্স কম থাকলে দেখো আমি তোমাকে ভেরিয়েন্স এর ব্যাপারে বলি লাইক গ্যালাক্সির ফোন নাও স্মার্টফোন নাও ফর এক্সাম্পল সো স্যামসাং এর তুমি 10-15 20 রিয়ালের ফোন আছে 20 রিয়াল ফোন ইজ 1000 রিয়াল ফোন ইজ অলসো দেয়ার 500 রিয়াল ফোন ইজ অলসো দেয়ার সো ভেরিয়েন্স ইজ ভেরি হাই কিন্তু আইফোনের একটা রেঞ্জ আছে I'm pretty sure you wouldn't get 50 real iPhone brand new পাবে না তুমি 50 real Samsung পাই যাবে I think recently I bought one I remember সবাই বুঝতেছো তোর ভেরিয়েন্স হাইয়েস্ট প্রাইস এর মধ্যে স্যামসাং আছে লোয়েস্ট প্রাইস এর মধ্যে স্যামসাং কিন্তু আইফোনের একটা রেঞ্জ আছে ওর ভেরিয়েন্স কম it starts from let's say 200 real and goes till 400 500 real you guys are getting my point I hope all of you understood so ওর ভেরিয়েন্স কম তো রেঞ্জও কম এর ভেরিয়েন্স বেশি তো রেঞ্জও বেশি now the two classes are combined into one group of 25 students one group okay find the mean test score of all 25 students so easy as all 25 students mean square this is what you would do this is the total na 770 we had 770 right
yeah
plus what was the answer we got
915.
915 na this is the 915 we got okay here we got 915 as the answer so you would do 770 plus 915 divided by 25 that is your answer because total 770 plus 915 total of the class A plus divided by total how many people are there 25 people are there how much is it
67.4
67.4 what's up find the variance of the test scores of all 25 students now we for that I need sigma x square of all of them so I will add sigma x square of this sigma x square of this how much is the total sigma x square you get your new sigma x square tell me how much is it 59610 plus 58035 how much is it 117645 so 117645 jodi thake so that is your sigma x square now 117645 did you say
yeah
117645 divided by 25 minus the mean কত 67.5 whole square করো ক্যালকুলেটরে কত পাচ্ছ আমাকে একটা ভ্যালু বল আমি তার মার্কস স্কিম চেক করতেছি
163.04
wait let's continue 163.04 is the answer perfect okay now the teacher of class A now last মধ্যে একটু টেকনিক্যাল কোশ্চেন জিজ্ঞেস করে ওরা বেশিরভাগ ওকে টেকনিক্যাল কোশ্চেনটা বেশি জিজ্ঞেস করে the teacher of class A later realizes that he added up okay the test scores for his class incorrectly class A each student test scores in class A should be increased by 3 okay or the test score ta increased by 3 state without further calculation state the reason okay variance of the test scores for class A I think it won't change because তোমার overall lowest score তোমার +3 বাড়ছে তোমার highest score তোমার +3 বাড়ছে so the variance has not the range is still the same so I feel like variance will be same that's what I feel like let's see কি লিখছে ওরা no effect on the variance of the classes since addition does not change the variance oh we learned that also standard deviation মনে আছে standard deviation মনে আছে addition subtraction standard deviation change হচ্ছে না yeah this is that yes okay Aisha Mansha clear
yeah
okay then E the mean test score for all 25 students the mean test scores for all 25 students it will increase by 3 mean increase হবে সবার +3 না, so it will increase, okay, the mean will increase since the total score has increased. You have to use the word the total score, এটা না হলে ওরা মার্কস দিবে না। b এর mean same আছে কিন্তু the mean of b is same, the mean of a will increase by 3 most probably. Okay, now the variance of the test scores of all 25 students. Now here comes the main this thing, the variance of the test score. Actually, let me see here. Look, what will happen to the square? Your sigma x square will increase, okay, so overall this will increase, right? Okay, because 3 square every time, so ওখান থেকে তোমার mean আগের মতনই থাকবে, mean will increase a bit, not much, mean will increase a bit, not much. I feel like the variance, overall variance will increase হবে আমার লাগতেছে, overall variance increase হবে, variance of the entire group will increase since the mean of the class A is now further away from the mean of class D. Now this part I don't know what to say, last part. They said we know the variance of the entire group will increase, we know that. They said what? Since the mean of class A is now further away from the mean of class B. Mean of class A is further away, mean of class B. Let me think about it. I'll pause the recording. I was not able to figure out this third part. I'm sorry, but I was not able to figure this out. They said the mean of class A is now, like, how to frame this up in the examination, that I don't know. Okay, তোমরা বলছো তোমরা question 2 3 4 5 করে ফেলছো না? 2 3. Okay, and you're saying you have doubts in skewness. Let me teach you guys skewness right now here. That would be better for me actually. Let me teach you guys skewness. A-level maths S1. Okay. Regarding skewness, you guys were asking that, so I'm doing skewness here itself. Regarding histogram, I'll teach you guys later on. Okay, but this is how the skewness, you are supposed to learn all this and go. Okay, so for example, there are three kinds of skewness are there: positive, negative, and no skewness at all. Positive, negative, and symmetrical. My bad, symmetrical. So a distribution can be symmetrical, have a positive skew or a negative skew, right? Using diagram, measure of the location or measure of the spread, they said. So look over here, you can use the quartile. Q2 minus Q1 is equal to Q3 minus Q2. So if your Q2 minus Q1, they both are equal to each other. Q3 minus Q2, you see, look at this, Q2 minus Q1, everything has to be Q2 minus Q1, Q3 minus Q2. If it is less than, it's positive. If it is greater than, it is negative. And if it is equal to, it is symmetrical. Remember this line. Okay, in your boxes, if your mean is towards the left, if your Q2 median, sorry, towards the left, it is positive. If it is towards the right, it is negative. If it is in middle, if this gap is equals to this gap, okay, then it is symmetrical. You have to remember this. Okay, so positive skew, negative skew বুঝে গেছো সবাই? বুঝছো তো না?
হ্যাঁ বুঝছি।
ওকে, এখানে দেখো তোমরা আরেকটা, যদি mean mode median same থাকে symmetrical, but if the mode is less than median and median is less than mean, it is positive skew. এগুলো তোমাদেরকে বাহার করতে হবে. If mode is more than median and median is more than mean, it is a negative skew. এগুলো বাহার করতে হবে. Again I'm saying this all you have to বাহার this. Again this skewness. ঠিক আছে? And there is this formula. Most of the time this formula is given, but I would still tell you to bahar this come and come. If it is close to 0, এখানে লেখা আছে, এখানে তুমি যদি 3 multiply by mean minus median divide by standard deviation যদি করো, this gives you a value. Okay, now the larger the number, the greater the skew. Okay, Larger the number, greater the skew. The closer the number to 0, the more symmetrical the data. Okay, the closer the number to 0, the more the symmetrical the data. A negative number means, okay, so basically if you're getting 0, it is symmetrical. If it is 0.5, maybe positive skew. If it is negative, তোমার যদি নেগেটিভ আসে তাহলে নেগেটিভ স্কিউ এটা। The data has a negative skew. See, a negative number means negative skew. A positive number means the data is positively skewed. তো সবাই চারোটা কনসেপ্ট বুঝছো কিনা বলো? সবাই বুঝছো কিনা বলো?
হ্যাঁ বুঝছি।
Okay. Okay, so now let's তোমরা question number 5 পর্যন্ত করছো সবাই? You guys did till question number 5, that means, right? So that means I can do question number 6. That means question number 6 তোমরা করো নাই না? Okay, try doing question number 6, first part, A part and B part. I will also do them manually later on. You guys try right now. Finish question number 6 for me. I'll pause the recording. So question number 6 you guys did. Let me repeat it again for you all. So you can see here they said UG is investigating the weights of 10 young rabbits. 10, so n is 10. She records the weight in x grams, so you have many datas of x, around 10 datas. Each rabbit and the result are summarized below. So total of all the data is 8360, and when they did this, they got this as the answer. By the way, we learned it in our, when we were learning this chapter, we learned that this is a very complicated method to do, basically very lengthy, but they gave us everything. 63840. You have to use, there are two formulas for variance. We usually use this formula, which is easier, this one, but here they use this formula, so I'm going to use that. Okay, so when I use it, what they said, calculate the mean and the standard deviation. So sigma x is given to us. Mean is very easy for us to find. Mean find kora hocche 8360 divided by 10. Yeah, 836. You guys got 836 as your mean? Then this is standard deviation. Standard deviation is the root of variance. So let's find variance first. So variance hocche 63840, because x minus x mean, x minus mean, sigma of x minus mean whole square divided by n, কত দিচ্ছে ওরা আমাকে 63840 divided by 10, and I have to root of this answer. Root of this is standard deviation, right? So how much you guys are getting in calculator? Standard deviation 80. 80 is the answer. Now then after that they got a bit trickier. So A part is over, let's do the B part. Given that the median weight of these rabbits are 815 grams, describe giving reason the skewness of the data. Now we know mean, we know median. So what is the mean we got? 836. Median 815. So if your median is bigger than, mean, what is it? It's a positive skew. This is given in your textbook, where I think wait, yeah, it's somewhere over here. It will be given most probably. Yes. Yep. When your median is greater than your mean, it's negative skew there. But no, here mean is greater than median. Na? Yes, mean was greater than median. Yeah. So mean is greater than median. What skew is it? It is positively skewed. Can you see? So that is written over here. If you want, you can use this formula as well also, by the way. You have your standard deviation with you, na? You can use this formula if you want. And you have your mean with you, you have your median with you. You will get around 0. What? 8. So that also shows it's a positively skewed. Okay, then now let's go to this one. 2 more rabbits. Now they are adding 2 extra rabbits over there, 776 and 896. Okay, added to the group. Now there are total 12 rabbits are there. So state giving reasons how the inclusion of these 2 rabbits would affect the mean. Now your mean will either increase or decrease, or it will be the same. So if these numbers were very low, your mean would have decreased. But if these numbers were very high, your mean would have been increased. But now if you see, there is a pattern between them. What is the pattern? Find average of both of them. See what overall is your value increasing or decreasing? Okay, C part. So find average of both of them. So you are adding 776 plus 896 divided by 2. How much you guys are getting of this? 836. And what was the mean? 836. So 836 plus 836 divided by 12, what will it be? The mean is not going to change. At the end of the day, in your mean, you're adding mean that much only, same amount. Okay, so if you want to frame it, now the framing part, I'm really bad by the way, really bad at framing part. So they wrote, say 836, which is the same as the mean. So therefore, it will remain same. It will not change. The mean is not going to change. They wrote it down. Did this say state giving a reason? I say maybe sometimes calculation is also considered to be a reason. Then let's talk about D part. But considering sigma x minus x bar whole square, okay, state the effect of inclusion of these two rabbits would have on the standard deviation. Okay, so what effect are they having? Let's see. X minus x bar. Okay, fine. So let's find sigma of both of them. What will it be? Sigma of both of them. One is 776 minus 836 whole square, and another one is 776. Sorry, my bad. Another one is what? 896. Na? 896 minus 836 কত whole square. কত পাচ্ছ দুটোটা total? একটা এটা হবে 60, এটাও হবে 60. So what is your total? Even another something else also given to you, na? 63840 is given to you. The whole 63840. So 63 কত 840 divided by এগুলো স্কয়ার করতে হবে, হ্যাঁ স্কয়ার করতে হবে, sorry. This divided by 12, you will see your value will be less than before. Your value is less than standard deviation. So therefore the standard deviation is going to be less. বুঝছো? তোমার ভেরিয়েন্স কমে যাচ্ছে ওভারঅল, তোমার ভেরিয়েন্স কমে যাচ্ছে ওভারঅল, বুঝছো? So because এখানে এটা তোমার ডিনোমিনেটর বাড়ি গেছে, and if you add them, they wrote it down here. Actually calculation ভালো করে দেখাইছি ওরা, দেখো এখানে, or they found both the 60 square, 2 into 60 square, 60 square plus 60 square, ওটা অরিজিনাল সিগমা x minus x mean whole square এর সাথে প্লাস করতেছে। কত পাচ্ছ 71040 divided by 12, which is 5920. 5920 is less than 6384. 1 2 3 4, 6384. So therefore the standard deviation is going to reduce. Okay, now let me give you guys next question to do. For this you guys need you know what, you don't need anything, it's okay, we can do this. Oh wow, this is a big question regarding interquartile range. There are some really confusion question comes with the interquartile range. Yalla করো তো দেখি পারো কিনা। আমি এটা প্র্যাকটিস পরে তোমাদের টেস্ট নেব একদিন। I'll pause the recording. করো। Okay, so let's do question number 7 now. They said a group of students took some test. A teacher is analyzing the average mark for each student. Each student obtained a different average mark. For these average marks, the lower quartile is 24 and the median is 30. Lower quartile is 24, okay, and the interquartile range is 10. So they gave us the interquartile range. Interquartile range is what? Q3 minus Q1, no? So আমি Q3 find করতে পারবো, ওরা Q1 দিয়ে দিছে, Q1 দিয়ে দিছে আর Q2 দিয়ে দিছে, Q3 I can find with the help of this. So কিভাবে find করবে? Q3 minus Q1, that is 24, is it কত? 10. 24 plus 10 is 34. So Q3 is kota? 34. Three lowest average marks are 8, 10, 15.5, and three highest average mark is 45, 52.5, and 56. The teacher defines an outlier to be valued. Determine the outliers in this data. Okay, let's find the outlier. So what is they said? More than 1.5, okay, or below the lower quartile. মানে কি একটা ফর্মুলা দিয়েছেন না তোমাদেরকে, Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, Q1 কত? 24. 24 minus 1.5 into 10. Okay, they said more than, মানে greater than, ঠিক আছে? 24 minus 1.5 into 10 কত? 15 না? 24 minus 15 কত? ক্যালকুলেটরে 9. So anything greater than 9 is my outlier, greater than 9, or will it be less than 9? Below the lower quartile or more than, okay, less than 9 হবে। less than 9 কি আছে আমার কাছে এখানে?
I say 8.
less than 9 হবে কত
8.
8 so 8 is my outlier আমরা 8 এ একটা ক্রস দিব আর তো আমার গ্রাফটা আমি 9 এর থেকে শুরু করতে পারি অথবা 10 এর থেকে শুরু করতে পারবো গ্রাফটা তারপর আরেকটা কি আছে মোর দেন 1.5 সো মানে লেস দেন এটা above বলছে না মানে গ্রেটার দেন সো গ্রেটার দেন আপার কোয়ার্টার কত পাইছিলাম আমি 34 না
34.
34 minus again 1.5 into 10 how much is it 34 plus yes
এটা 49.
49
49.
so greater than 49 এ কি আছে আমার
52.5 আর 56.
এই দুইটা আউটলায়ার আছে so you're going to draw the diagram over here চলো let's start so আমি 9 থেকে শুরু করতে পারি অথবা 10 থেকে শুরু করতে পারি my lowest number is 10 না so let me start from 10 the length does not matter এখানে একটা আসবে q1 কোথায় q1 is 24 21 22 23 24 so এখানেও একটা আছে ওকে এখানে আমি কি করব একটা লাইন দিয়ে দিব okay then after that median কত 30 median is 30 over here so median is 30 and ওটা 34 না 31 31 32 33 34 একটা হচ্ছে এখানে এই বক্সটা এখানে লিখলে আমি পাচ্ছি আমার ডায়াগ্রামটা পাই গেছি লাস্ট নাম্বারটা 45 এ দিব আমি if I want I can give it 49 also to be honest but আমার কাছে 45 আছে এখানে so 45 পর্যন্ত দি now you know what I can take it till 49 because greater than 49 is an outlier na so I can do till 49 I feel like I can do till 49 40 41 42 43 45 okay 49 এখানে আসছে ঠিক আছে তারপর 52.5 এর মধ্যে 51 52 52.5 এর মধ্যে একটা কি ক্রস আর 56 এর মধ্যে একটা ক্রস আর এদিকে কত 8 এর মধ্যে একটা ক্রস now I have to see ওরা এগুলো কোথায় দিছে step by step let's see the mark scheme they started 10 क्यों নিছে ওরা
10 কে কেন নিছে
wait they got 8 34 minus 26 oh d sorry then okay ও কি করছে 41 42 43 44 45 পর্যন্ত নিছে 49 নেয় নাই I think if you want 49 পর্যন্ত allow করবে I don't know but still okay ওরা যে ভ্যালু দিছে ওই ভ্যালু তাহলে 49 নিব আমরা because usually when the আচ্ছা okay if let's say this was not given to you এই দুটোটা আউটলায়ার ছিল তখন তুমি 49 পর্যন্ত ড্র করতে পারতে okay we did this question in one textbook I remember but here we are doing till 45 ঠিক আছে so this is done b part is done use the quartile to describe the skewness it is extreme towards the right skewness কি হবে negative skew extreme towards the right yes negatively skew okay it is negatively skew now then two more students also took the test their average mark which are both less than 45 are added to the data box plot redrawn okay less than 45 so money it's somewhere over here 45 less than 45 money এখানে এটা মানে 45 er less now the median and the upper quartile are the same so median and upper quartile is same but the lower quartile is now 26 okay now তোমাকে সবকিছু আবার রিফাইন করতে হবে okay let me pause the recording I'm getting a message আমি এতক্ষণ ধরে রেকর্ডিং করিনি okay so most probably d part আমি রেকর্ডিং করি নাই so d part টা আবার একটু রিপিট করি the median and the upper quartile are both same এরা কি করছে আরো দুই তিনটা স্টুডেন্টস কে অ্যাড করছে two more students they added and their average mark which were both less than 45 থেকে কম ছিল ওদের মার্কস গুলো okay they added it to the box plot diagram now you have to draw a new diagram ওরা বলতেছে the upper quartile is same q1 is same sorry q3 is same but q1 is 26 so q3 is just like before q1 is 26 and q2 is just like before so what I did here is I found the outliers so anything less than 14 which is 8 and 10 previously I have 8 and 10 over here na 8 and 10 8 and 10 anything less than 14 has been a outlier so 8 and 10 is outlier my graph will start from 15.5 then greater than 46 if I have greater than 46 just like before my 52.5 and 56 is an outlier ঠিক আছে so you have to draw this diagram you started from 15.5 this is your q1 q2 that is 30 and q3 that is 34 if I'm not wrong Yeah, and your last value is 15.5. Your 52.5 and 55 is an outlier, and your 8 and 10 is an outlier over here. Okay, you guys are just supposed to know, and you have to just draw it for D part. Okay, so now give the ranges of values within which each of these students, okay, average marks must lie. So they are asking you from where to where the average mark is supposed to be. So I saw the mark scheme and I got confused. They're saying that since the outlier has increased, it should lie between, according to them, it is 26, na? 26 to 30. They're saying that it should lie between 26 to 30. And or since Q3 has not changed, okay, Q3 has not changed. What is Q3? 34. So it should be somewhere between 30, something to 34, na? 30 to 34. 30 to 34, they're saying. So I don't know. This one, how to explain E part to you. Okay, you guys do one thing. You guys do question number 8 for me now. Yalla. Resume required. Let's do question number 8 now. So Chi wanted to summarize score of 39 competitors in a village quiz. He started to produce the following stem and leaf diagram. Fine. He did not complete the stem and leaf diagram, but instead produced a following box plot. Fine. She defined an outlier. We got those. Find the interquartile range and the range. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. What's your Q3? Q3 is 45, 46, 47. And what's your Q1? 31, 32, 33. 47 minus 33. 14. 14. So interquartile range is 14. Correct answer? Then they said the range. Range is the biggest value minus the smallest value. This is 15. It has just smallest value or biggest value kata 50 and 54, right? 15 minus 54 kata 54 minus 39. Clear? That's an interquartile range and range. Describe giving reasons the skewness distribution of the score. You have to talk about the median over here. You have to talk about I think it is negatively skewed. The median is closer towards upper quartile. When the median is closer to the upper quartile, it is negatively skewed, right? So reason ki this sort of check kori. As I said, I'm not that good at giving reasons over here. Therefore, negatively skewed. Oh, they use this. This formula. This formula you have in that skewness formula sheet I showed you guys. Okay?
Formula sheet
Huh? Formula sheet? No, I don't think so. It is there in formula sheet. Yeah, as I said, you have to bahad this. Fine. Then they said Albert and Beth asked for their scores to be rechecked. Albert's score was changed from 25 to 37. Now this is where the trick question comes. It's 25 to 37. So most probably this is not there anymore. 25 to কি হয়ে গেছে এখন এখানে একটা আর একটা 37 add হয়ে গেছে. Okay. Then Beth's score was changed for 54 to 60. 54 to 60 এখানে কোথাও নেই. Okay. Now they said on the grid below 7 marks. Okay, very trick question. On the grid below draw an updated box plot diagram. Now let's see আমাদের q1 q2 চেঞ্জ হয়েছে কিনা. Okay, let's face it. q1 কত পাইছিলাম? আর q1 কত ছিল? 33 ছিল. So q1 যদি 33 থাকে, how many people are there? 39 na. So do 39 divided by 4. Do 39 divided by 4. আমি নতুন q1 ফাইন্ড করতেছি এখন.
9.75.
9.7. মানে 9th value and 10th value divided by 2. No, sorry, 10th value. 10th value নিব। আমরা কি করতেছি এখন q1 ফাইন্ড করছি। q1 এর জন্য কি করতেছি? 39 divided by 4. এসে চালু করে দাও এরা।
39
এখানে 39 কম্পিটিটরস আছে না?
ও
39 divided by 4 কত? 9.75 বলছো তুমি। মানে 10th value 1 2 3 4 5 6 এটার গুণব না 7 8 9 10 35 q1 কত হয়ে গেছে এখন? 35 হয়ে গেছে নতুন। Because ওটা 25 থেকে এখন 37 হয়ে গেছে না, বলছে না ওরা change from 25 to 37, so there was only 125, so I cancelled it. So ভাইয়া তারপর আপনি 50 টা দেন না কেন? 54 is way outside my data, I don't even need it right now. Okay, চলো q1 হয়ে গেছে, q2 কত? Median. q2 কত? Median কত?
39 না?
39 divided by 2. 39 divided by 2 median find করো
19.5
মানে 20th value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 sorry এটা নিব না 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 ওকে তো 20th ভ্যালুস কোনো এফেক্ট করতেছে না আমার এই চেঞ্জটা 20th ভ্যালু মধ্যে কোনো এফেক্ট করতেছে না সো মিডিয়ান will be just like before only what was median before 41 42 so your median is going to be 42 only let's find q3 now q3 is 39 3n by 4 কত পাচ্ছ 39 into 3 divided by 4
29.25.
so মানে 30th value not 30th value 30th value হলে তোমার q3 চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে না because I don't know what is my data rest of them so কত হয়ে যাবে 47 হ্যাঁ 47
47.
এখন তোমরা আমাকে আউটলায়ার ফাইন্ড করে দাও নতুন আউটলায়ার্স find me outliers guys I'll pause the recording you know what let me do it then again I have to record outlier জন্য কি করি আমরা q1 that is 35 minus 1.5 into interquartile range what is my interquartile range now 47 minus 35
17.
17 so কত পাচ্ছ
No, no, answer is 17. Full outlier is 17.
17 মানে anything less than 17 do I have anything less than 17 yes I have 15 and 11
Oh, Jahan.
I have 15 and 11 okay so anything less than 17 is an outlier na so কি ছিল আউটলায়ার ফর্মুলা কি ছিল যে 35 minus 1.5 into IQR কত 17 পাচ্ছি so less than 17 তারপর আবার 47 plus কিন্তু আমরা আউটলায়ার 47 এর উপরে কি নাম্বার আছে আমি তো জানি না আউটলায়ার ফাইন্ড না করলেও চলবে so I got my starting point what is my starting point 18 starting point is 18 এর আগে 15 আর 11 কি আউটলায়ার 11 and 15 is outlier এরপরে q1 কত 35 35 qr তারপর q2 কত
Q2 change. Q2 change 42.
42 q2 আগের মতনই আছে 42 আয়শা বুঝতেছো মনসা আয়শা ওকে এরপরে q3 কত পাইছিলে
Change
47 ঠিক আছে 45 46 okay then what is the last value we have we don't know ওদের last value কত ছিল ওটাকে নিয়ে ফেলবো আমরা 54 I will take their last value as a 50 no 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 no
No,
আগে 54 তে কত হয়ে গেছে এটা 60 তোমার লাস্ট ভ্যালু এখন 60 হয়ে যাবে ঠিক আছে আন্ডারস্টুড লাস্ট ভ্যালু হচ্ছে 60 চলো দেন এটা হচ্ছে 7 মার্কস এর অনেক কাজ আছে এখানে চেক করি 65 60 yes perfect অনলাইন সবাই বুঝছো হাউ ডিফারেন্ট দিস কোশ্চেন ওয়াজ 7 মার্কস এ কত কিছু দেখতে হয়েছে আমাদেরকে 25 টাকে কেটে ওখানে 37 লিখতে হয়েছে আমাকে এক্সট্রা I had to find a new q1 but q2 and q3 way outside my data I couldn't find them but I assumed okay they did not change at all because actually they will not change also because শুধু লাস্ট এর ভ্যালুটাই চেঞ্জ হয়েছে can you see তো মাঝখানের ভ্যালু তো আর চেঞ্জ হয় নাই 37 এর পরে লাস্টের ভ্যালুটা চেঞ্জ হয়েছে শুধু so Mansha Aisha can I stop here for today next one you guys can do on your own but I'm stopping because next class is there okay চলো দেন তোমরা বাইগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করিও আর আমাকে ডাউট জিজ্ঞেস করিও আর হিস্টোগ্রাম ডোন্ট ফরগেট টু সি দ্য ভিডিওস এন্ড এভরিথিং ওকে অনেক সাম আছে এগুলো করলে তোমরা লেটেস্ট পেপার কিভাবে করে সব জেনে যাবে all this
We are
questions
recording to this. We didn't
I'll
stop
stop
it.
the recording I'll stop the